Hey guys, it's me Vaishak from Epic Tech. So today I'm gonna unbox a smart speaker by Google, and let's get started with the unboxing. So sorry guys, I haven't been much active in YouTube for the past couple of months. So without any further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. So this is the basic box packaging you get, and here we have the Google branding, the home mini, etc. And here we have some logos which is written as Geo7, Google Play Music, etc. And it also supports Google Chromecast, and here it's written small and mighty. And here are some few instructions, and here basically it's written designed by Google, made in China, and all other information. And that's yeah, and on this side we have the price, country of origin, and all the other information. So let's start with the unboxing. So we have the box here, we get the smart speaker, the micro USB charging cable, and some documentation. So let's get started. So the speakers, it's pretty sturdy, I guess, and it's it has a rubberized feet. And here we have the power in, which is micro USB, and a mic on off button, so that your conversations will be private. And here we have the charging cable, which looks pretty good. I mean, the cable is long, the quality is good. And here we have some information, and let's open the wire. And the charging cable looks pretty long. I guess it's maybe 1.5 meter. Yeah. So I'll just set up the device and come back, so that you guys don't have to wait for all the long procedures. So guys, I just finished setting up the device. So I have connected to the adapter to the power. So I just connected to the home mini, and just wait for it to turn on. So actually we have some lights here. It's actually turning on, so it'll take a few seconds. So this actually depends upon your internet connection, because it has to be linked with your Google account and stuff. Yeah, we have some lights here and the sound. So now let me just give it a command. Hey Google, what's the weather?
Right now in Bengaluru it's 78 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today there will be scattered thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 80 and a low of 67.
So as you can see, it gave me some options, and there is also a good feature where you can use this as a Bluetooth speaker. So I'll just show it. So this is my phone, and you need to have a Google Home app here. I'll just go to my home app. So here we have the speaker, and we should go to the settings, and once we are there, we have to go to paired Bluetooth devices, enable pairing mode. So now the pairing mode is active, so I have to go to my Bluetooth settings in my phone, and yeah, this is my speaker right here. I'll just click on that, and now it's pairing. And the speaker has been paired via Bluetooth. So now I just go to YouTube and play some songs and just show the demo. And here actually we have some two touch buttons where you can increase the volume, pause the music, and etc. So guys, the volume is actually pretty good. I mean, it's very loud, but the bass is a bit low, but for the size I guess it's pretty good. And now let me just turn off this mic button and see what happens.
The mic's off.
So basically we get a red light here so that you will know that the mic's off. So I'll just turn it on.
The mic's back on.
So guys, if you do end up liking my video, please click the subscribe button and turn it into grey, and just press the bell icon just next to it so that every time I post a video you'll be notified about it. And do share the video, like the video, and if you have any queries or any suggestions regarding my content, you can just comment down below and let me know. And thank you for being here. Stay safe, have a nice day, see you soon, bye bye.